Welcome to Ninesteps Industries and introducing the Angled Tip Tweezer. Now, tweezers are a very handy tool to have. This particular tweezer we have designed to be quite short. And you notice that the angled tip here is designed to flow below the straight line of the actual handle. Now they're compact and you see how they fit within the hand. They're made of stainless steel and they have the spring action like so. It doesn't take a lot of tension to squeeze, but it's very quick to release. So that's what you need when you're trying to control very small parts, when you're attaching to a model or any of your crafts. The tip itself is needle pointed, very, very thin, and you have a lot of control on the smallest of items. Now the stainless steel is non-magnetic. It's finished in a matte surface, so that aids in actual gripping with your hands, okay, as you're squeezing, and also the micro finish aids in the grip of the tips as well. So that is introducing the Ninesteps Industries Angled Tip Tweezer.